Welcome baggers, baguettes, and everyone in between. Thank you for watching and thank you for sticking by. I have not done a video in a very long time, and I know that I said that yes, I was gonna post a bunch of videos because I had this motivation, the weather was getting better and the likes, but life has got in the way. Just simply have not had the time to ride or to even consider getting videos out, which sucks. But anyway, here I am. I'm out and about, getting it done, just running a few errands. Gotta go down and get my old man a birthday card, that sort of jazz. First, I'm checking what I'm doing for work tomorrow. Now, one of the reasons I have been away with is that my lovely bride, my lovely wife, is pregnant, which means I'm going to be a dad. Pretty exciting. So I've been busy with her. We've been spending time together. So I've been busy with that. I've been spending a lot of time with her, just as a family, her and I. Been catching up with a bunch of friends, celebrating the news. And just living the dream. So, and with her being pregnant, I refuse for her to get on the bike. So wherever we go, that's in the car, unfortunately. So she's back having a nap while I go out and do what I gotta do. That whole pregnancy thing, you know, it's exciting. So good times to be had. Daddy Daycare, March 2019. Gonna be lit. It's a real change. I mean, myself, I'm 36. The wife, she's 33. So it's we're kind of old to be having kids. I want to say old. I mean, there's people that are older, but most of my friends had their kids early, mid-20s, so it's going to be a big change to our life. I'm excited for it. I cannot wait to be a dad. I mean, the little thing's kicking around as it is now. You can feel it in there. We're playing at some classical music last night. I mean, that was cool. I mean, the exciting thing is you can get the torch out, put it on the belly, and you feel the baby kicking. It's just the best. It really is the best. So can't wait, bring it on, I say. And one of the exciting things as well is, well, due to us having a little family, we have to upgrade our house. So we live in a 2-bedroom unit right now, and it'll do, but our line of thinking is, while the wife is on a good wicket, and I'm on a good wicket, and we have zero dependents, why not go for another loan? So we're going to sell the house, we're going to buy something bigger and grander. It's not really going to be much grander, it's just going to be an extra bedroom, a bit more land. But we'll do it while we can, no dependents, so we're all good. So in the 5 months between now and when we have the baby, we need to sell our house and buy a new one. That's going to be interesting. Had the photos taken on the weekend. It'll be live tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Today being Melbourne Cup, so not much happens around the joint. So yeah, exciting times. Now that was also one of the reasons why I was really disappointed. I really wanted to go down and see the Australian hooligan racing down in Bairnsdale on the weekend. I'd booked in for free camping down there with a whole bunch of the stunt riders, and it just looked like a ball. And Dean Ross apparently set up a wicked event, and I'm really disappointed I couldn't go down there, but it's just one of those things. Priorities. Had to get the house ready for photos, We had so much decluttering, it's not funny. I mean, you wouldn't think the two people could accumulate so much crap, but we did. So that's how it rolled. But it's no big deal. The event seemed to be a success. Yeah, judging by all the Instagram posts and everything, it just looked like to be an awesome event, and I'm just spewing I missed out, but I'm sure it'll happen again soon. I did see something about somebody mentioning that there may be a one in southern New South Wales. I saw it on a post, and don't know when it's going to be or where it's going to be, but I definitely want to do a road trip to that. Might get a bunch of the boys up and go camping, get the swag on the back and just tear it up. Alright, well, I'm going in to get the card and I'll be back in a minute. Anyhow, back we go, got the card. Heading to the pub for dinner tonight. The old man and my mum are going away for, I think it's 14 days on a cruise over to New Zealand. So it's a bit of a sayonara, happy birthday sort of thing. So that's exciting. Alright, well, I'm hoping this video is gonna work. The last time I got out, the sound wasn't working properly, so this is a bit of a test run. Also, just to get my skills back in the editing booth, see how I'm traveling. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. Really, really do appreciate it. I'm just talking a bit of gibberish and saying, then I'm back. Yeah, it is great to be back. I mean, when I hopped off the bike before, when I just went in the woolies, I thought to myself, I really do love moto vlogging. And I mean, it is something that's just such a, you know, I mean, it is a nothing sort of thing. You're just riding along talking to yourself, but I not only like doing it, I love the whole editing approach as well. And I mean, that's the part that I love, is the editing. So here's hoping I've got something to edit. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Really do appreciate it. Really, really do. Click that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. I mean, there's not much to like, but thank you very much if you do, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers.
Her mind, calling and texting my line 24/7, 11/11. I wish that she just ever talk with a reverend. 11/11, 11/11, 11/11, 11/11.